guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, thank you for tuning in. If this is your first time, please don't make it your last, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for always stopping by. So on today's vlog, I'm trying to surprise my husband, right? I baked. It's his birthday today. I actually forgot his birthday was, so like I know I've been like planning it in my head, but I've not like actualized the planning. So I thought my baby was crying. So I baked the cake. Here's the cake. It's a little bit burnt. I've not iced it yet. I'm about to ice the cake, so I'm about to surprise my husband later when he comes back home. I don't know if he'll be surprised. I don't know if he has already catch up with the surprise. This man is now, I don't know if he's pretending not to know that I want to surprise him. Like, I want to cook. I already bought meat. I want to make pepper soup, then make small jollof rice for the people in the house, so we can eat and enjoy the birthday. So let me get right into doing what I want to do. I'm already tired. As you can see, my eyes, I'm very sleepy. Even though baby is sleeping, I want to take this opportunity. I want to take this opportunity to like I want to take this opportunity to be fast and finish what I want to do, because I know I can never finish what I want to do, but at least let me achieve some things before she wakes up. But guys, by the way, I don't know if you are hearing one sound. It's actually brief, so Hamatan is actually here. Hamatan is here already. So let me be fast. Let me be fast and start doing some things, so I can achieve something before evening or later in the night. And there is no light safe. This is our NEPA Abi Nesco people. I don't know for them. These days they have been playing. They don't used to give us lights often like that. So you manage this video, please. So let me enough of the talking. Bye. Guys, as it is, I'm just too occupied right now. The baby is crying. She said I should not keep her. I should just be holding her. I can't even walk. So I'll just do everything off cam, please. I will show you people when I'm done. I'm actually done with the cake. Let me show you guys. This cake, I was doing it with one hand. Oh, thank God it's just for eating at home. So I'm blending this. It's okay. Who beat my baby? All washed, about to be cooked. Hey guys, food is not on the fire. Oh. You're actually feeding. Hey, baby, you were so pretty. You're actually feeding right now. These girls do not allow me to do anything. I honestly feel like all these new mommies, first time mom, they don't really used to like tell us the tea, like to have a child, newborn, most especially this my baby. She's just 6 weeks though. Don't think whether she's a big girl. She's still a tiny baby. Guys, this girl will not allow me to. I should not do anything. I should just carry her. You people should tell me, is that how newborns used to be? Because I don't know. This is my own. I'm thinking it's different. Because tell me why my own will not allow me to sit, will not allow me to do anything. I should just hold her and just be looking at her and be playing with her. Mama, I should be playing with you. You are smiling. You know what you are doing. You know what you are doing. Oh my God. So right now, as it is, I'm not even cooking the rice again. The pepper soup is on the fire. I was thinking of making pepper meat. I don't have strength. That's the truth. Let me not come and kill myself. I'm not making anything. No, with that pepper soup is enough, please. And the rice that I wanted to cook, the rice at home will not be enough, so it's better I scrap it out. I'm not cooking that again. Thank you, Jesus. Finally, I'm done. I later cooked what do you call it? Spaghetti. Let me show you what I made. I'm feeling myself. Wife of the Year award goes to me. I made
Jesus.
Baby boy. Look at you. Babe, are you sure you do not know? Confess.
No what?
You do not suspect.
What?
You do not suspect that I wanted to make something for you.
Was it that made the cake? I thought you bought it.
From who?
Where did you make it?
In this house.
It's a lie.
True.
I keep messing. It's nothing like cake.
That's because I did not do it in this house. I did it in Yahweh's place.
I suspected. No, I didn't suspect. But we were just.
You be E an S U
and
an S
S
Jesus.